This stands for equalization in phases, which indicates we are charging and discharging the battery cells partially instead of all of them one time. We won't modify any other parameters except for the serial collection numbers. Press equalization now and we'll see the machine start operation. For charging equalization, we should calculate and input charging voltage in advance, then collect DC charges with the equalizer. Now for the discharging equalization, unplug the cables for the DC charger. Press discharging equalization. We should set up the serial collection quantity firstly, then input the desired voltage value we want to reach. Now we are inputting a value, say it's like 3.557. Press Setup. And other parameters on this page we will not modify. And the discharging current is often ranging from 100 to 200 milliamps.